Hi everyone, this is Jonathan with WTI and this is my Logitech K380 wireless keyboard. Now the touch response is really good. I like the size, how portable it is. It's really thin, so you can take it with you wherever you want to. I like that I can take it with me, no cords required. It will fit easily in my backpack. And why do I use an extra wireless keyboard when I have one built in my laptop? Well, the reason is multitasking. This has 3 different devices that it can connect to. What you can do is connect each device via Bluetooth. Now, if I press number 1, the keyboard will connect to my laptop and I can control it now. In this case, if I press the number 2, it will go to my iPad and immediately I can start typing. Now, this particular model was made for Apple devices. You can notice this by certain keys and the position they have in the keyboard. That doesn't stop you, however, from controlling a different device. As you can see in this case, if I press the number 1 and connect it to my laptop that is not Apple, I can still use the function keys. Now, if I press the number 2, it will connect to my iPad, and I can still use the same function keys to dim the lights or make it brighter. This is a well-made keyboard that is going to last a long time and you can use with multiple devices of your choice. And that's just my point of view.